So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete tables here in Google Slides. So first thing you have to do is open up your Google Slides application and add a table to your design. So we're just going to go to the top right here and go to the plus icon, go to the bottom where it says table, press on table, and then we'll just add a 3x3 table, press on insert table, and there you go. I've now added a 3x3 table. So if you wanted to delete it, first thing what you can do is just press on the table right here, wait for this bottom bar to come up where it says cut, copy, paste, and delete. You can just press on delete and it will delete, or what you can do is just hold down the table here till the top bar changes, go to the top and either press on the scissors or the garbage can icon. I'll just press on the scissors right now and it deletes the table that you just inserted. So pretty straightforward process. That's how you guys can delete tables here in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.